Imagine a shadow that knows where you sleep, where you work, and who you meet, tracking your every move, even as you go about your daily life, unaware of its presence. Yet you never see it. It doesn't make a sound, and it leaves no obvious trace, but it's always there, quietly observing. This shadow isn't a person lurking in the dark, but a digital ghost. Lines of code living inside your smartphone, hidden deep within the device you trust most. In just seconds, a skilled hacker could turn your phone into a relentless tracker, monitoring your location, your messages, and your habits, all without your knowledge or consent. This isn't science fiction or a distant possibility. It's a real and growing threat in our hyper-connected world, where hacking tools are often free, easy to find, and simple to use, even for beginners. Before we go any further, remember, this video is for education, not exploitation. We're here to inform, not to encourage misuse. Our goal is to arm you with knowledge, to help you recognize the risks and protect yourself, not to enable bad actors or unethical behavior. Understanding how these attacks work is the crucial first step to defending yourself and your loved ones from digital threats. Your phone holds your financial information, private photos, personal conversations, and so much more. Details that reveal the story of your life. It even contains a map of everywhere you've been and sometimes everywhere you plan to go. To a hacker, your phone is a gold mine, ripe for blackmail, identity theft, stalking, or even selling your data to the highest bidder. The threat is personal, not abstract. It can affect anyone, regardless of age or background. By learning how these digital shadows operate, you can take real steps to protect your privacy and reclaim control over your digital life. Stay vigilant, keep learning, and always treat your phone as the gateway to your most private world, because that's exactly what it is. New threats emerge every single day. What's safe today may be vulnerable tomorrow, so staying informed is essential. Knowledge is your best defense in this ongoing digital Cold War. The more you know, the safer you'll be. Let's shine a light on the silent shadow in your pocket and learn how to evict it for good, so you can use your phone with confidence and peace of mind. Forget the Hollywood hacker stereotype. Today, anyone with moderate tech skills can track a phone. Free open-source tools are available on public platforms like GitHub, often disguised as parental control or employee monitoring apps. With a simple download and a few clicks, these tools can be deployed in hours. Once installed, they run silently, transmitting your data to a remote server accessible from anywhere. For zero cost, a hacker can access GPS, call logs, messages, and even activate your camera or mic. These tools work on both Android and iOS, making surveillance accessible to anyone with motive. While some developers create these tools for legitimate reasons, once released, they're out of their control. In the wrong hands, they become powerful weapons, available to jealous partners, rivals, or criminals. The democratization of surveillance tech is what makes it so dangerous for everyone. The hacker's most powerful weapon isn't always sophisticated code or advanced technology, it's psychology. By understanding how people think and act, hackers can manipulate emotions and behaviors to get what they want. Social engineering is the art of tricking you into granting access, often with just a single, seemingly harmless click. It preys on your trust, curiosity, or even your sense of urgency. It usually starts with a message crafted to spark curiosity, excitement, or fear. A fake delivery notice, a promise of a prize, or a warning from your bank that something is wrong with your account. Sometimes the message appears to come from a friend or family member's account, making it even more convincing. You might see a link that looks innocent, but something feels off. With a single click, you could be redirected to a phishing site designed to steal your login credentials, or you might unknowingly trigger a hidden download that installs spyware or malware on your device. Once hackers have your login information, they can access your location, personal messages, or even restore your data to their own device, gaining control over your digital life. Sometimes, a drive-by download silently installs tracking software in the background without you ever realizing it's happening. You might only see a blank page or a simple error message, but in just a few seconds, the real damage is already done. Your device is compromised. The tracker is now active, quietly monitoring your activity and location. Your privacy, once taken for granted, is now at risk. That's why you must be extremely cautious with every link you receive. One careless click is all it takes to open the door to hackers. Social engineering is the critical first step in almost every phone hack, making awareness and vigilance your best defense against these invisible threats. After you click a malicious link, the real attack begins, often without you even realizing it. This single action can set off a chain of events that compromise your device. On Android, you might be prompted to download an APK disguised as an app update or video player. These prompts are designed to look legitimate, tricking you into thinking they are necessary updates. Granting permission to install from unknown sources is the key mistake. Once you do, the tracker is in. This small oversight can lead to significant security breaches. The malicious app may hide itself or mimic a system utility, requesting broad permissions, location, contacts, mic, camera, storage. These permissions allow it to access sensitive data. Most users tap Allow without thinking, opening the door wide. This casual approval can have serious consequences, as it grants the app free rein over your data. On iPhones, it's harder but not impossible. Hackers may use stolen Apple IDs, enterprise certificates, or rare iOS exploits. These methods are sophisticated, targeting even the most secure devices. Once installed, spyware connects to a remote server, often encrypted to evade detection. This connection allows hackers to siphon off your data without raising alarms. It collects your GPS, messages, call logs, and more, uploading everything to the hacker's dashboard. This data is then used for various malicious purposes. The attacker can now monitor your life in near real time, gaining insights into your daily activities and personal communications. The process is designed for stealth, making detection difficult. It operates quietly in the background, often going unnoticed by the user. Every permission you grant is another window into your private world. Each access point is a vulnerability that can be exploited. The code is in, and your phone is no longer yours. It has been compromised, and regaining control can be a challenging process. Once spyware is active, your life is an open book. Hackers see your real-time location, track your routines, and set alerts for when you enter or leave specific places. They read your texts, intercept messages from apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, and access your call logs. Advanced spyware can record your calls and even activate your microphone to eavesdrop on your surroundings. Your photos, videos, contacts, browsing history, and calendar are all exposed. Some tools log every keystroke, including passwords and sensitive info. Your phone becomes a surveillance device, controlled remotely. Every private conversation, every secret is laid bare. The scope of the breach is staggering. You lose not just privacy, but control over your own narrative. The digital window into your life is wide open. The fallout from phone tracking is devastating and deeply personal. Stalkers and abusers can monitor your every move, showing up uninvited and using stolen messages for blackmail or manipulation. Financially, hackers can drain your accounts, steal your identity, and ruin your credit. Reclaiming your life after identity theft is a long, painful process. In business, a compromised phone can lead to stolen secrets, lost contracts, and destroyed reputations. Leaked photos or messages can cause public humiliation and irreparable damage to relationships. The psychological toll is immense. Victims feel powerless, anxious, and isolated. Trust in technology is shattered, and peace of mind is lost. This isn't just a data breach, it's a violation of your autonomy and safety. The consequences ripple through every part of your life. Protecting your phone is protecting yourself. Defending yourself starts with smart habits. Be skeptical of unsolicited messages. Never click unknown links or download attachments. Verify strange messages from friends through another channel before acting. Use strong passcodes or biometrics, and enable two-factor authentication on key accounts. Keep your phone and apps updated. Security patches close vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Regularly review your app list and permissions. Uninstall anything suspicious or unused. On Android, disable installation from unknown sources unless absolutely necessary. Revoke unnecessary permissions. Does a game really need your location or mic? A little digital housekeeping goes a long way. Vigilance and routine checks are your best defense. Make security a habit, not an afterthought. Even the best defenses aren't perfect. Know the warning signs. Rapid battery drain, unexplained data spikes, or overheating can signal spyware. Check your battery and data usage for unfamiliar apps. Watch for lag, crashes, or your screen lighting up on its own. Strange noises during calls or odd texts may be hacker commands. If you suspect infection, back up essentials and perform a full factory reset. Don't restore from a possibly infected backup. Reinstall only trusted apps from official stores. Sometimes a clean slate is the only way to evict a digital ghost. The digital world is always changing. So must your defenses. Hackers evolve, and so should your knowledge and habits. You are your own first and last line of defense. Every link you click, app you install, and password you choose matters. Treat your data as precious. Protect it like you would your home. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt as new threats emerge. Follow us for ongoing tips and updates on staying safe. With vigilance and knowledge, you can keep the silent shadows at bay and reclaim your digital life.